I propose we see today how to create home staging animations in IACrea. First, to create animations of this type, we will need two photos, the before photo, so the original photo, and the edited photo. So for that, we will first go to the home staging section of IACrea. I will create a home staging project. Here we will call it home staging. Now I will upload my original photo. Here I have placed a kitchen and I will be able to redecorate my room. I click on kitchen and generate with a Scandinavian style, and there it is. My kitchen is finished, so I can now click on compare to see the before and after. And once I'm satisfied, I will go to video editing. I go to video editing, I create a project. There we go. Then the demonstration, I then select here the effect that will interest me. So here we have created a home staging type effect with an original photo and a redone photo. We have several effects like this for interiors, for exteriors, and decluttering. Here we will take interior. I upload my before photo, so the original photo. Then I will choose an after photo. The photo we retouched, and I click on transform into a video. From there, we will wait between 30 seconds and 3 minutes, generally for the video to be made. I can also simultaneously create other effects to add to my video, and everything will be processed in parallel. Now my video is finished, I can click on play, and I see my animation that is enhancing my room live. I can also download my video, change the settings to change the video format, landscape, portrait, add my own music, and I can continue my video by adding photos to my video, so feel free if you have any questions to write to us. We have a little contact button right here.